Hey folks, so if you remember last week, we made that awesome blue ghost piece with a brand new technique using the magic trowel. And I asked you guys what color combo I should do next. Well, here we are. I'm using these colors, and you're gonna find out right now if they're a good combination or not. Could you see this style of countertop in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Here we go. I asked the audience for my video that blue ghost using that new color. I says, let me know in the comments what 4 colors you wanna see. If I pick your colors, you're getting a prize. So winner chicken dinner, send me your shipping address. Boop, right here. I picked these colors. There you have it. This is my best attempt. I have no idea how it's gonna look. So if it goes south, it's all the viewers' fault. So as you'll see in a couple minutes, I try something new that I've never done before to test what it would look like with these wild colors. The main message I want to get across is there's 1,000,002 different designs you can make. Obviously, we lean towards mimicking natural stone like quartzite, granite, marble. That being said, there are so many different exotic stones out there that are on a completely different level when it comes to how they look with all these intricate colors and designs. And the best way to try to recreate these masterpieces is to push that envelope and try new techniques. Folks, pump the brakes. I put together a landing page on this epoxy countertop finish. Easy ordering. Add your epoxy, add your dye, and your 3 mica powder colors. Check out and you're on your way to countertop success. Don't forget your gloves and follow along with me. We got this. Save money on your kitchen remodel. Click the link in the description below. DIY your countertop upgrade. As you see this project come together, a combination of 1 epoxy dye and 3 accent mica colors points you in the right direction. Pick colors that work for you and your space. Stone Coat Epoxy does the hard work for you. Start out on the right foot by measuring 3 ounces of epoxy per square foot of project at a 1:1 ratio by volume, and not weight. That's some easy measuring. Mix the epoxy for 2 minutes using a drill and a mixing paddle. Midway through mixing, scrape the sides and bottom, and then mix for another minute. Divide the mixed epoxy into separate mixing cups and mix in your colors. Making this epoxy countertop finish with your gloved hands is really as easy as it looks. All I need to do with my hands and fingertips is lightly meld the different colors of epoxy to get them to meld and flow. This makes them more realistic. You can work with Stone Coat Epoxy for more than 45 minutes once mixed, leaving you plenty of time to get this project to look just how you want. We designed our products to be DIY friendly and easy to work with. There's no nasty smell, and we have tens of thousands of happy Stone Coat customers who have saved a bunch of money renewing their countertops themselves versus going to the big box store for the runaround. We teach you step by step how to do it on this channel, so if that doesn't deserve a subscribe, I don't know what does. Crush that like button, share the video, help our channel grow. We're giving this information away to help you save money. Here I tried a new technique with that magic trowel. It's a silicone tipped soft trowel I use for flooring epoxy project. I used it to create small fracture lines as I dipped the trowel into the project at random angles. The silicone tip pulled up that black base, creating a Mother Nature made it kind of technique that you can't make any other way. Guys, let me know in the comments below, what the heck would you call this project? I'm gonna put it up on our website. We're gonna name it. If I pick your name, I'm sending you free material. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this taught you a little technique to get you going to renew your countertops. Don't forget, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this, and we'll see you on the next video. Hey, that came in too soon. Jeez, give me some minutes.